put the coin in here, and then he rotated. Welcome back to Christina's Garage Gearhead in Training. Today I'm going to change the battery on my 2006 Chevy Silverado key fob. I have been noticing that it's not been working as well over time, and now it's completely... Oh, well, it worked that time. Either way, I'm pretty sure the battery's going out, so now that I'm like, oh, it doesn't work, now it seems like it's working. Well, either way, we're going to change out the battery. Now that I got the battery, it's specifically the 2032, and they had the larger packs. As you saw, I grabbed the single one. The videos that I watched online said you can use a coin, and I'm going to remove this from the rest of my keys. The guy said that, see, there's a notch right there, that you use the coin to, it's like I'm afraid to break it. I don't want to break it. Use the coin to open it up. Oh, jeez. I don't know, maybe I might need a bigger coin. He did have a bigger coin in the picture. All right, I rewatched the video, and it looked like the guy was holding it kind of loosely here, put the coin in here, and then he rotated. There we go. Okay, so I just made a rotation motion. I didn't do this. It was, I don't know if you're able to kind of see that. I don't know how better to describe it. Okay, now opening it. Well, it doesn't, now this side is kind of stuck. The one that he had didn't have as many. Ooh, oh no. Ah, now I like, the whole thing's coming apart. All right, so I think this was this facing down? Oh, dang it. Hopefully I put it back right. Oh, it's so crazy to see the buttons like that. Huh, okay. So I'm going to put this back. And then, oh, I got some fur. Did I get some fur stuck in there? Okay. Put this back here. Open this up. And then confirming it's the CR2032, 2032. And since the whole thing popped out, I'm assuming it's face down. All right, now I need scissors to open this up. I learned while at the CVS, I'm in California, so they had the batteries locked up, and the woman said that they don't take returns for batteries if it's open, because I guess people were swapping out, like doing what I'm doing now, putting the bad battery back in there and returning it. That's just crazy to me. Oh, there's two layers. No wonder I couldn't get it out. It's like in between the... But luckily I was able to confirm which battery, because the batteries that I use for my food scale are the same shape. It's just a different number. And I'm assuming if I would have gotten the wrong one, it wouldn't work correctly. Alrighty. Okay, so taking this one out. He said if you have nails, you can kind of just pull it out. But there's also, I see there's a divot on that side, so I might need to get a tiny screwdriver to get in there. Got my small flathead screwdriver. I'm gonna put it right in here. Oop. And he said it should just pop out. There we go. I just put it underneath, and want to make sure that this side is facing up. So with the new battery, the plus side up, and then we're going to put it back. I think it might have been this way, because I think the other direction fits funky. Yeah, it doesn't look right. Okay, put it back that way, and then put this, come on. Oh, now the thing's like not wanting to line up. All right, let's try. Okay, so the buttons are on there. The professional always make it look so much easier. Oh, geez. Let's see. Don't want to set the alarm off on my truck. That would not be ideal. He just snapped it back on. It looked super easy. Okay, cool. Snapped it back on. It looks like all the sides are good. Let's go test it out. Moment of truth. Unlock, lock, set the alarm. I think it looks like it's lined up okay. Well, I guess time will only tell before. Gotta love when you're on camera that it doesn't always work the way you want it to. It had stopped working for a few days. That's why I decided to get the battery, thinking it was the key fob as to why the car wasn't locking and unlocking. We'll be able to tell that if this continues working just fine going forward, then it definitely was the battery. If I have continued issues, then it might be something in the door mechanism. I can't remember what Jeff called it, but it was the counterpart to what this controls. So hopefully it was just this, because this was much simpler to do. It was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. I was afraid I was going to break it. And yeah, thanks to YouTube, I was able to look up a video and figure out how to do it. So thank you guys for watching along. And yeah, if you want to subscribe to my channel and follow along for more fun stuff, I would greatly appreciate it. See you guys next time.